and welcome to Rush Lane. We are in Sanand at the Tata Motors plant. This plant Tata Motors acquired from Ford Motor Company, and now here they build Tata Nexon EV and the Tata Nexon ICE. Let's take a look how these cars are built.
In this video, we will take you through the various stages involved in the making of a car, from raw materials to the final product. In the press shop, here the car's body panels are created. Large sheets of metals are fed into stamping machines which press them into shapes of doors, hoods, roofs and other parts with precision and speed. These panels are then moved to the body shop. In the body shop, these stamped panels are welded together to form the car's body shell. Robotic arms performs precise welding to ensure structural integrity and durability. This stage also includes spot welding and laser welding for areas requiring high strength. Once the body shell is complete, it moves into the paint shop. Here, the car undergoes a multi-stage painting process. First, it is cleaned and treated with anti-corrosion agents. Then, it is coated with primer, following by multiple layers of paint and a final layer of coat for glossy finish. This ensures long-lasting color and protection against the elements. In the final fitment stage, the car starts to take its final shape. Interior components like seats, dashboard, infotainment systems, sunroof, and other accessories are installed. Exterior features like headlights, taillights, and trim pieces are also fitted at this stage. The final stage is inspection and quality testing. After this, Nexon is ready to be shipped across various Indian cities. From raw materials to the final product, every step in the manufacturing process is carried out with precision and care. This ensures that every Nexon produced by Tata Motors is built to deliver exceptional performance, safety, and reliability. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Tata Motors Sanand plant.